Hello, this is Thomas Lawler,
And Grant Millette.
and we're doing Project 3.6, working with Excel, also working with Camtasia to create a graph.
The first thing that needs to be completed when making a graph using Excel data is you need the data to read off of. This here data was provided by Professor Jim Janessi, and it shows letters and words over a certain period of time. The next step, what you want to do is realize what data you need, and the first thing is highlight everything that you're going to be using for your graph. After that, you're going to go up to Insert. Look at there's several different types of graph out there. For this, we're actually going to be using the line graph for this specific one. The 2D line graph, to be exact. After clicking on that, the graph is going to show up. Drag it to the bottom of your screen, and it's going to display all your information in a graph. Here on the right side, you can see is the different letters in different colors, and the pink is going to represent the total words there.
Alright, so the next thing you want to do is, when creating your second graph, because as you can see from this graph that actually the words for the number of words with 6, 7, 8, 9 are all scattered across the bottom because there are so little of them as compared to the ones with 3, 4, and 5, and also the total words. So to make a 3D line graph, the first thing you want to do is highlight your entire graph here as you have. You want to copy it down, and you basically just want to make a replica, because the second graph you're going to have is going to be the same data, but it's just going to be replicated in a different format. So first thing, when you bring this up, you're going to have the same graph. The way to change that is you want to right click on it, and you want to change the chart type. After you change the chart type, you can look along to see which one you want. As you can see here, the one all the way along the right side is the 3D line. You're going to click on that, click OK, and as you can see, we have a 3D line graph. This better represents where you can see along the bottom, you can see actually where the 6, 7, 8, and 9 words are. They're all very low because, as you can see from the graph up above, those are all very low as compared to the ones with all words 2 and 3. So after you get that, these are just two representations you can get from a graph. There are many other graphs you can do for many other purposes. This is just one that we have. This works really well when interpreting data, and is a really good tool to have when you're on Excel. So on behalf of Thomas Lawler and Grant Millette, I wanted to thank you for seeing this video and hope you use it to learn Excel. Thank you.